Sasa wewe Mheshimiwa Gekaria, wewe rafiki yangu. Sasa wewe unataka kuharibu boma yangu. Sasa unakuja kuongea hapa mambo ya Dorothy and you know my wife is Dorcas. Si hivyo ndivyo watu wanaharibu boma ya wenyewe. Bishop, if you allow me, I introduce my spouse. Pastor Dorcas, come so that people can also see you. Kaire duga kare ko ka duga gera. Limonero nani da kegeretie. Can she say hi? Sema jambo.
Your Grace, the Archbishop, Most Reverend Dr. Jackson Oresapit, the entire clergy, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, all protocols observed. I'm here to congratulate our new bishop, and we are very happy if we can put our hands together for a clap offering, because God has done us proud in this. Today I'm so excited because the heavenly kingdom is multiplying and the Great Commission continues to become greater and mightier. In the church and in the kingdom of God, what is most important is the family. And that is why we have a father of faith. And I pray to God that the rod that you have been given becomes like that one of Aaron. It birds to be able to guide and also to feed the flock. I also pray that the scriptures, the gospel continues so that we fulfill the Great Commission. I am so glad to all the ones who have come, and especially to our mom, who will be standing beside the great bishop whom has been consecrated and enthroned, Mama Lucy. Know that we are going to pray with you and together with your family. May God enable you to walk this path as you have vowed, and you as the spouse, may you be the helper God gave him. And the children, we continue to pray, and the entire church, so that the kingdom of God may be established. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you.
Arathореkia githugu kungira. Ni mutingi nyinde mundu akiri guthomu muno. Ngathe yakwa ndi yathomete ni uraigua githungu. Niwe unyona ngai githungu kidogo.